Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is DESZREN. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. For those that are sticking with me for my ear stretching journey, I'm going to be stretching today from a 10G to an 8G. I already took out the plugs that I had in, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using to clean my ears. And I'm also going to be showing you guys me stretching to an 8G. I did have some people comment on my last video about how using plastic or acrylic jewelry is not the best for stretching your ears, which is 100% correct. So I will be getting stainless steel tapers and jewelry for the stretching process, and then once I get to the size that I want, I will venture out, and try different kinds of materials. I don't have the stainless steel tapers and plugs yet, so I'm going to be using this. This will probably be the last ones I use from this kit. Like I said, the kits aren't expensive anyway, so I don't feel like I really lost out on much. So I'm going to be using some wound wash to clean my ears today. This one is from CVS. I figured they told me to use this stuff when I got my belly button pierced, so why can't I use it for my ears, And plus, I just got my nose pierced too, and I have to use a sterile saline. So it's all the same stuff. But people like to clean their ears and their piercings differently, so do what works for you. I'm not going to tell you what to do. So I'm just going to spray the cotton pad. It kind of comes out like a stream, so you want to be careful. That's why I'm not spraying it directly on my ear, because it's going to drip everywhere. I literally just took the plugs out, so the plugs have not been out for long. I'm going to really soak my ear with it. I'm going to take a Q-tip and try to, get in the hole and everything. I'm also gonna try to go through the back too, just to get anything that might be in there. This is what the 8G taper looks like. Still very small, so I don't think I'll have any problem with it going in my ear. I already cleaned the jewelry off with some alcohol. I'm using some almond oil from the Now brand. I will link this below for y'all if you want to get some of your own. This is going to be lubricant that I use just so it slips easier in my ears. So I'm just taking the back stopper off. Put that to the side. I just got hella oil on my fingers, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on both sides. Rub the taper with it as well. Oh, that was easy. What the fuck? That went in like butter. What? I'm just rubbing the other one now. I knew it was gonna go in super easy because the 10s were like falling out of my ear, y'all. Like falling out. I probably had the plugs in for maybe like a week and a half, and they came out of my ears so many different times. So I knew I was ready, been ready to stretch up to the next size. But that went in like it was supposed to go in like that, So now I'm wondering, do I want to go to a 6? I don't know. I feel like I can. Fuck it, I'm gonna try it. So I kind of forgot how big of a jump it is from an 8 to a 6. And this might have been when I blew out my ears. I'm not really sure. But we're gonna try it because I feel like my ear can definitely handle it. Definitely much bigger, much wider. But we're gonna give it a shot. So I already cleaned these off. I'm gonna take these tapers out because they don't even feel like they should be there. Like my ears are red because I cleaned them, but that literally did not hurt whatsoever. I didn't really feel anything. It just went right in like as if it was the 10. All right, my ears are still pretty oily, so I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on the tapers. All right, moment of truth. So then it's not. No, this hurts. It hurts. Nope. Not at all. Not yet. I'm putting these 8s back in because I really forgot how big of a jump the 8 from a 6 is. And not even gonna risk it. I already said in the last video I'd rather do this the correct way. And I felt it and I was like, yeah, nope, not ready for that. So I'm gonna leave these bad boys in for a little bit and I will see y'all when I think I am ready to stretch up to the next size. Super excited. Hopefully I don't have to keep these in for too long because that 6 was calling my name. It looked like the perfect size. For now, we shall see. I don't know. But like I said, y'all, putting these 8s in did not hurt whatsoever. I did have the 10s in for a while, so it feels like nothing is in my ear right now whatsoever. It feels like I still have the 10s in, but it's not that big of a jump. So I'm gonna leave these in, see how it goes, and I will follow the advice of my people, my subscribers from the last video, and definitely get the stainless steel ones so I have a better, more healthier ear stretching journey. And I really appreciate you guys, you know, giving me that advice because y'all could have never said anything, you know what I'm saying? And I really do appreciate that. So thank you guys, and as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below, and I will see y'all next time. Bye guys.